In front of me is OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on this device. So if you want to open unique numbers assigned to your device, you've got two methods, two possibilities. The first one is to open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, IMEI numbers are just right in front of you, so this is it. This is how you can reach them super quickly. Tap on OK to close it, and now you can find them also via settings. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here under Status, you will be able to check both IMEI numbers and a bit lower serial numbers located. So this is it. This is how you can find your IMEI and serial numbers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.